What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. We're back with another video. Before we get started, man, go ahead and go down and hit the like button right below the video, man. That helps the channel grow and it helps this channel get recommended to other people. It is absolutely free, and if you guys want to help me out, go ahead and do that. But if you're new to the channel as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to continue to follow me and to see what I pick up next. I usually always pick up sneakers throughout the year, and I like to share my experience with you guys. So if that's something that you guys enjoy watching, hey man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. I am running a giveaway, man. I am running a giveaway. How could I forget? I'm doing a giveaway on this channel for an Air Jordan 1 in the metallic black. If you guys are interested, it's absolutely free. Subscribe, follow the rules on that video. That's just me absolutely just giving back to you guys. The goal is 1,500 subs. Even if we don't reach 1,500 subs, it's honestly just me giving back. I just like to give back. That's what I've been doing since I started my channel, and I like to make people's days, especially sneakerheads in the sneaker community, man. But anyway, man, we are going to be unboxing a sneaker. This is the dunk that was supposed to release on ALLSTAR week. I believe it got pushed up, but these did release already overseas in Europe. This dunk is a barely green. I'm gonna kind of read you guys what it says on the sneakers app. It says, originally created for the hardwood, the dunk later took to the streets, and as they say, the rest is history. More than 35 years after its debut, the silhouette still delivers bold, defiant styles and remains a coveted look for crews across both sports and culture. Now the college hoops OG returns, covered in crisp material overlays with the heritage-inspired color blocking. Modern footwear technology brings the design comfort into the 21st century, while a combination of black and barely green gives this makeup an understated feel. This shoe's gonna be releasing on the 9th of March. As you guys know, the dunk is just, it came before the Air Jordan 1, originally made for basketball, and the rest is history, man. But here we have an unboxing. This unboxing came from Supreme. I actually was able to get this item off of the Supreme website. It's actually a hat. I hope this fits, man. I really hope this hat fits. But I'm not really trying to resell. I really wanted it for the dome. Oh hell no, this thing's, bruh. This thing's huge. Maybe if I wash it. Well, it's not like huge, but it's kind of huge. I just don't like wearing hats like this, bro. Like, even without the glasses, like, I can't do fitted hats, bro. Like, my head is too small for fitted hats. I'll definitely just wash it. I could rock it like this too. Like, honestly, I don't like wearing my hats like that, man. It just looks kind of dorky. I already got the glasses going. So, I'm gonna move that to the side. Cool little pickup, you know, just to make things a little interesting before I unbox this and I had not purchased from StockX in a minute, man. So here it is, guys, the unboxing of these dunks. It does read Nike Dunk High, barely green, black. Doesn't have the price tag, and that's because it did come from overseas. It came from StockX in the United Kingdom, I guess. Here, hopefully you guys could make out that tag. And let's check these things out. Let's see what these things are looking like. Hopefully, if you guys are really interested in these things, so hopefully this helps you out and determine whether you want to buy these. That's why I do these videos, to just kind of, you know, pick up what I like, and then it just kind of helps you determine whether you want to pull the trigger on the shoe or not. Here's my StockX price and all that deal. Woo. Oh, buddy. I can't even take these out of the box, man. Alright, let me get these out of here. Whew. Dang. I like them. I think these things are fly. Yo, I really do think these things are nice. I don't see anything else inside here. Alright, let's move that over here. Oh boy, man. Whew. This is what you guys are here to see. The Nike Dunk ALLSTAR barely green, and I must say this shoe is actually very nice. It's actually very nice. No extra laces, looks like. I don't see any extra laces. Quality wise, definitely terrible. Stiff. I'm guessing that's why these aren't super crazy on the resale market. But this material, this patent leather on it is insane, dude. Like, it's got these waves on it, or maybe it's something that you kind of have to have in hand in order to like see it, but man, dude, this thing is nice. Oh man, I think these things are beautiful. This shoe is nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not trying to hype the shoe up, but like if you could see like these little waves on the patent leather. Oh man, it's really nice. It's like a gray, smoky black. I'll definitely say it's like a smoky colorway. And on the check as well. It feels like really rough, bro. Like it's nothing crazy. So don't expect anything crazy on these dunks, man. Don't expect no crazy quality, you know. The quality on these things isn't crazy or nothing like that. So then it does have your ALLSTAR in the back right there with the check in the middle, the Nike check. And I'm looking at these for the first time, so I'm just seeing what you guys are seeing right now. And it's kind of like holographic. It's got the Nike check, it says ALLSTAR in the middle, and it has your iconic NBA logo on there, and it says ALLSTAR Indianapolis, I'm sorry. Indianapolis is what it says, and that's stitched nicely right here. It's like a little holographic type deal. Pretty cool, man, pretty cool. The dunk is dope. Hopefully you guys are able to pick these things up for retail, man. I think it's a nice shoe. It's clean, but like I said, the quality, don't expect nothing crazy. This quality is, I mean, you could just, it's nothing nice, dude. Like it's just, you know, it's nothing crazy. It's not worth paying over like 200 bucks, and I paid under that. I don't know why these things went up over the last couple days. Nike logo on the tongue, and your laces are nice too. They're just like these very, very gentle laces. They're like, it's almost like this was like intended for a woman's release or something. I don't know. It just, the laces are just, they got this very fine touch to them. They're very light. It's not like your regular laces. But the shoe is nice. I'll be doing a on feet for you guys in a different video since this one's a little bit long. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,500 subs, and I can't wait to get there, man. You know, we'll grow little by little. I'm not in no rush. I think I'm gonna be doing this for a while, so hey man, black outsole. On to the on feet. On the next video, I'll do different styles, different jeans. I'll just dedicate a whole video to the on feet of this shoe. That should be coming here soon, as well as I will more than likely have a on feet of another sneaker. I got some sneakers coming, man, so just make sure you guys stick around, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It's your boy Jay, we're out. Ladies.